Okay, y'all, this video is gonna have to be quick. So, hello, I'm Faith Grenade. I normally put makeup videos here on YouTube, but you should subscribe. And today, we're gonna be unboxing what I believe to be another Uncanny Creature, because it came by airmail, and that's the only thing I really get these days that comes by airmail. Long and the short of it is, my camera is dying, and I left my charger back up at my friend's house in Penn Island, so I have to film this very quickly before the camera completely dies. So let's see if we can get it done. Yep, this is another Uncanny Creature. I don't remember actually ordering this one. I feel like I may have thought I skipped out on it, but ended up ordering it anyway. So there you go. There it is. Let's go ahead and open her up. Which one is this? Ooh, blue paper. Blue paper. The battery light's blinking. Can I make it? Oh yeah! I did order this one. Oh my god, look at him! Oh, I fell in love with his little ears. I couldn't. His ears are too cute and floppy. There he is. He's kind of similar to Tyrone, but he's gray instead of black. His eyes are gray as well. He's got two little buck teeth. And then he's got these cute little floppy ears that I'm in love with. He's so adorable. Again, stitching is solid. All the construction on these is always wonderful. But there you go. There he is in all his beautiful glory. He's even got a little butt, which is always cute. And then there's his feet. I will always leave the artist who does these Uncanny Creatures in the description box, so if you guys want to go pick up one for yourself. I know for a fact I have another one in the mail on the way right now, so yes, this will not be the last Uncanny Creatures unboxing I do, but I know you guys really like these, so there you go. Here he is. As always, he needs a name. I would love some name suggestions in the comments, but what I love about him is he's got two different colored eyes. Did you see that? His eyes kind of meshed. Isn't that cool? It's almost like he's blind in one eye. That's what made me order him, I think. And he's just so unique. He's very different from any of the other Uncanny Creatures I have. My family is now up to 4, about to be 5, but yes, this is him. I'm in love. He's super cute. And in the meantime, my battery light is blinking, so I'm going to have to wrap this video up. I know this was the quickest video I think I've ever done in my life, but until I get my camera charger back, I'm gonna have to keep these really short. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt. You know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me and my Uncanny Creature friends, hit that subscribe button or the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out. I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles! Toodles!